Alright, today I'm going to be opening a watch I took in on trade. I traded away a Deep Blue Master 1000. This watch came with a couple of extra straps. Here in America. And we have a Spinnaker. It is called the Hunley in Hyper Blue. It's got a NH35 in it. Screw down crown. Date. Stainless steel case. It's 41.5 millimeter diameter and 16 millimeter thick. It's a sapphire lens, as they call it, crystal, and rotating bezel. Doesn't say anything about the material used, if it's ceramic or anything. Yeah, 200 meters of water resistance. Pretty cool looking dial. The numbers are all raised a little bit. It's got like a stippled look to the finish of the dial itself, the face. The back says Japan movement 24 joules. I assume it's a Seiko or Epson or SII, whatever, but it's just marked as a Spinnaker. Cool exhibition case back. Let's see, pop it on once here. Been doing yard work, got crud underneath of my watch. That strap's a little small for me. I mean, it fits, but pretty cool looking watch. I'll get some better closer up shots here.